VR, and today we are gonna. There's gonna be a new series. So remember that part 2 what I did. Let's say that was part 2 of Animal Company. Well, this is a new series. It's gonna be part 1 of going into the mines, and I might do this every day. Okay? So yeah, this is my friend. And also, guys, we have new friends. Okay, so this one's Fred. Yeah, and this one's Jareth. Oh, what you saying, Jareth? Guys, he's saying subscribe. Yeah, you want us? Yeah. It's free. So I think you should do it. And also, yeah. So can we? These ducks might be in every video. So if we can make these famous, look at them, they're cute. And guys, I did get them from the office, so you don't need to worry. So also, guys, I just need to get my leopard backpack. Because I've got a new backpack. Then I need my grappling hook. Alright, I got my grappling hook. And then I need pickaxe. Dude! I'm alive. Dude, where are you? Alright, okay. Alright, so guys, you can just see I spent loads of money on that flashlight. And now, I don't know where it's...
I'm back.
I can't find my flashlight, what I just bought. I swear, no, that's mine! I spent money. I'll get you a, wait a minute, $4.99.
Wait, you go for the whole thing. Oh, the thing.
There, take that. Yeah, my fan code, guys, now in Animal Company, if you want to meet me at any chance, is my fan code in Gorilla Tag, Juker. Hell yeah. Let's go. Alright, let's start this off. Yeah, guys, I'm actually happy that I bought the hip slot. So now I can actually do it. Oh yeah, remember, don't collect the copper piece. Don't collect the big coppers. Collect the medium and big gold. Ow!
Oh, sorry. Well, it's PvP.
Yeah, come on. Is my light off? My light was off. Oh yeah, guys, did you know you can put your head through this? This is kind of a glitch. Well, yeah, you can, see? Right. Sorry.
Wait, what?
Get this way.
Wait.
And this way.
I'm coming.
Yes. Yeah, we're here. Yo, I almost fell. No, I almost fell again. Mine. These are 2 mine. Oh, Baba mini piece. Ooh, loads of copper and purple quest.
You mean that purple? I wanted that purple.
Oh, shoot, another. Yo, come down one.
Oh, silver.
Look over here. Mine. Come over here. There's loads of purple. There's always loads of purple crystal. So, guys, if you ever want... Oh, I got coin.
Left for him.
Just zip line past them. Oh, frick. There's a bugger. Whoa, frick off. Yo, is he dead? This side's mine. You get that side. You get that side, and I'll get this side. I got a research point. Okay, I got 2 research points.
Oh, this is my side.
Hee hee hee.
I'm greedy. Oh, another one. I grappled onto it.
Ooh.
Got it.
Thank you for me. No, the green.
I've got it. It's fine. Leave my pickaxe there. Revolver! Got it. Guys, you just saw I got that revolver. No! I'm scared. Let me out. Right. Okay. Ah! Alright, so guys, I don't want to kill unless we just zoom past. I know. I got dibs on this.
Okay.
Aw. I got a crate. And I got a dumb umbrella. Alright.
Oh, they're coming.
It's fine, bro. Ooh, more. There's more down one.
Damn, that's hurt my. That
Yeah.
hurt my ears.
Help me get all these in. I've got the last two. Oh yeah, there's some at the side of you. I'll collect the
Oh.
rest.
Oops.
Alright, now we're ready. No, that's
Wait,
mine.
my
That's
grappling
mine.
there.
Oh, no, this is mine.
Where?
This is mine.
No,
on.
yours is on your hip. Your grapple's on your hip, bro.
No, I was talking about pickaxe, but I've found it.
Wait, where's my red flashlight gone?
It didn't sell.
It's in. No, it's in here. It's in here.
Okay. Yo, let's see how much we get for this. Okay, so guys, that is kind of rubbish. I'm not gonna lie. At least I got 2 research points from that. Right. Oh. So yeah, I am gonna be posting this video today. Yeah, probably today. Part 3 is coming out today as well, because I don't want to get bored. So yeah, and also guys, let's see if in
Wait,
part.
can you?
I meant part 2, guys. I meant part 2 of going in the mines. What's up, bro? What's up?
Can you show me where the pocket stash thing is?
The
I
pocket.
don't know where that
The
is.
pocket. Oh, right
Yeah.
here, Slot. All right.
Yeah.
I'll show you after I end the video. Right. So yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. So yeah, bye.